In the afterglow of the 1111 energies, I stand in deep gratitude for the journey. 6 years on this Scorpion Island have taught me who I am on a soul level. Through every deep dive, every shadow, every return to light. I know my energy, I know my design, I know my essence. And as this year closes, I walk forward in that knowing. Clear, rooted, and ready for new beginnings. My wish for humanity? Slow down. Become curious about who you truly are. Connect your own cosmic dots of awareness and remember your truth. I'm stepping away from social media for the next 4 months to listen, integrate, and create from stillness. When you know, you know.